Hello everybody, in this lesson I will discuss restrictions on identities and equations. Restrictions on identities. When proving identities, you may be asked to find the values of the variable, the angle, for which the identity is undefined or invalid. An identity is undefined if it is in the form b is equal to under a square root f of x, and it is not valid for the values of x which make f of x smaller than 0. That means there cannot be a negative under a square root. If an identity contains a tan x, it is not valid for x is equal to 90 degrees plus k times 180 because tan x is equal to sin x over cos x. That's the quotient identity. And cos x is equal to 0 when x is equal to 90 degrees plus k times 180 degrees. An identity is undefined when the denominator is 0. Now let's look at some examples. For which value of a is this identity 1 minus sin squared a under a root undefined? And then if you look at this, 1 minus sin squared a is smaller or equal to 0 always, because it doesn't matter what value you substitute in sin squared a's place, it will still be smaller than 0. Therefore, this can never be true. For which value or values of a is this identity undefined? Now, the first thing that you do is whenever there's a tan inside your identity, then you say tan x is undefined at a is equal to 90 degrees plus k times 180 degrees. That's where the asymptote is. And then also the second place is whatever you find under the line as the denominator, you solve that one. So 1 plus 1 over cos a is equal to 0. You let the 1 walk across and it becomes negative 1. And then 1 over cos a, you can swap both around and you end with a little equation. Cos a is equal to negative 1. And then where a is equal to 180 degrees plus k times 360 degrees, this identity will be undefined. Now this is the end of trigonometry equations, but there's good news. There's also a playlist on trigonometry identities, and it's the one you see there. Click on it and go and have a look. This is Miss Pythagoras signing off. Till next time.